Oliver was a bright student, but he always felt there weren't enough hours in the day. He rushed through assignments, missed deadlines, and barely had time for himself. One evening, after another long day of unfinished work, he sighed, "If only I had more time." His grandfather, a retired professor, smiled and handed him an old golden pocket watch. "This watch won't give you more time, but it will show you how to use it wisely." Oliver looked at it curiously. The watch had three hands, one for hours, one for minutes, and a third labeled focus. Each morning, wind it up and decide what truly matters, his grandfather advised. The next day, Oliver tried something different. Instead of rushing, he listed his tasks, tackled the hardest ones first, and set small breaks. To his surprise, he finished schoolwork faster and had free time to play soccer and read. Days passed, and Oliver felt in control. The golden watch didn't slow time. It taught him to manage it. Moral: time isn't about having more. It's about using it wisely.